Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and we would like to present the results of our project, which is currently 50% complete. Title: Classification of Tourist Destination in Lampung Province based on popularity using the Naive Bayes algorithm. This title indicates that the focus of our research is to classify tourist destinations based on their popularity. The member of our group is Muhammad Arya Putra and Mahendra Afrizi, Abid Nur Pratama, Pautri Rizky Saputra, and Ahmad Fahmi Faisal. Research progress 50%. At the 50% mark, the research has entered the initial implementation phase. The following steps have already been completed. Number one, dataset foundation. And two, data pre-processing. Three, generation of popularity scores and labels. Four, selection of classification features. Five, splitting the data into training and testing set. Six, training the net bias model. And seven, prelimin- preliminary model evaluation. Dataset. The dataset used in this study contains data on tourist destinations in Lampung Province. The dataset consists of 1,089 records and 9 columns, making it suitable as a basis for classifying the popularity levels of tourist destinations. The column in the dataset include place name, location, category, rating, number of review, ticket price, Instagram followers, facility, and review. These datasets serve as the primary basis for classifying the popularity of tourist attraction.
Next, initial data check. The initial data check is performed to ensure the dataset is suitable for use before proceeding to the pre-processing stage. Based on the results of the check, all columns contain a total of 1089 complete data points, and 3 are no missing values in any column. Therefore, the dataset can be used for the pre-processing stage and the subsequent classification process. Next, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is performed to prepare dataset for use the classification process using the naive-Bayes algorithm. Step 1, copying a dataset explanation. The dataset is copied first so that the original data remains unchanged. Second is clearing ratings. The rating column has been cleared and converted to a numeric data type. Third is clearing ticket price. The ticket price column is formatted as a number. Fourth, checking for null values. The data is checked again to ensure there are no empty values. And the last, preparing numerical data. Numerical metrics such as ratings, number of review, ticket price, and Instagram followers are prepared for the next step. After pre-processing, in the numerical data is ready to be used for calculating popularity scores and for the classification process. In the file, the numerical columns used include rating, number of reviews, ticket price, and Instagram followers. Next, this is a results of data pre-processing. You can see the image below it shows the result of data pre-processing.
Calculation of the popularity score. The popularity score was created to determine the popularity level of each tourist destination in a more measurable way. Popularity score formula. Popularity score dengan normalized rating kali 0,40 plus normalized number of review kali 0,35 plus normalized Instagram followers kali 0,25. Before calculation, the rating, number of review, and Instagram followers features are first normalized using min-max scalar to ensure they fall within the same value range. In the life, the popularity score have a minimum value of 0,00 and average of 0,36 and a maximum of 0,83. Next, classification of popularity. Once the popularity scores are obtained, the data is divided into three classes using percentile threshold. Data with score below the 33 percentile falls into the less popular class. Data with score between 30 and 90 percentile falls in the moderately popular class. Data with score above the 90 percentile falls in the very popular class. Next, feature selection. Feature selection is performed to determine the variables to be used in the process of classifying the popularity level of tourist destination. Prediction: target, popularity level, target class, less popular, moderately popular, very popular. These features were selected because they are related to the level of appeal, visitor numbers, and popularity of tourist destination. The predicted target is the popularity level, which is the classification result of the previously calculated popularity score.
Next, data split. The data is split. The spread the data used for training and testing the model. Total dataset 1089 data points. Data splitting is performed using the train split method. The training data is used that the naive-based model confirm patterns from the available features. While the testing data is used to measure the model's ability to predict new data. The data split result in 171 training data points and 218 testing data points. The split aims to ensure that the model not only learns from that data, but can also be tested more objectively. Training the naive-based model, the Gaussian naive-based algorithm operate based on the concept of probability. The model learns pattern from several features, namely rating, numbers of viewers, ticket price, Instagram followers, and encountered category. Based on test features, the model attempts to determine whether a destination is less popular, moderately popular, or very popular. After the training process is complete, the model can recognize the three popularity class. This task serves as foundation before the model is to max prediction on the test data. In initial model evaluation, the result of the initial evaluation shows the model achieved an accuracy of 68.81%. The precision was the 81.05%. The recall was 68.81%. And the 5-1 score was 69.70%. This result indicates the model is capable of performing classification.
And next, conclusion, with 50% progress effort, our research has reached the initial implementation stage. The dataset has been successfully processed, and popularity scores and labs have been generated to classify tourist destination into three categories: less popular, moderately popular, and very popular. The model used is the Gaussian naive-based model. From the initial evaluation results, the model achieved an accuracy of 68.81%, a precision of 81.05%, a recall of 68.1%, and an F1 scores of 69.17%. This indicates that the model is capable of performing classification. For the next phase, we will refine the evaluation results and visualization, explain the confusion matrix, and formulate the final interpretation and conclusion of the study. And thanks maybe that's the end of our group presentation discussion, the classification of tourist destination in Lampung province. That's one level of popularity using the knife-based algorithm. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.